Today's food and beverage manufacturing companies navigate a complex set of challenges. From supply chain complexities and regulatory hurdles to recipe management and product traceability, the pressure is on to deliver efficiently and consistently. So how can your business overcome these challenges and achieve sustainable growth? Many companies are partnering with Net@Work to streamline their operations. Net@Work's Food and Beverage Solution Suite, designed specifically for the industry, is enhanced by configurable bundles. These powerful tools were developed in-house by industry experts to help meet the unique needs of your business. Imagine what you could accomplish with the help of a modern ERP. Offering end-to-end traceability, recipe management, and automated compliance tools, all seamlessly integrated into a unified, flexible, and scalable platform. The Food and Beverage Solution Suite helps food and beverage manufacturers ensure better cost control, maintain high-quality products, and gain real-time insights to make informed, data-driven decisions. With this unified suite of solutions and our deep industry experience, Net@Work helps businesses like yours streamline operations, improve oversight, and access new revenue streams. And with Net@Work's award-winning customer service, you'll have the support you need every step of the way, so you can focus on what matters most: growth, sustainability, and delivering quality your customers can trust. Boiled down, we offer the perfect recipe for success in food and beverage manufacturing and distribution. Contact us today to learn more about how Net@Work can help your business thrive.